Good day, guys. One of my customer brought this Itel phone for me to repair the button. Itel 5081. If you look at the phone, they brought the phone. They have tried working on it, but it's not working. He said he has taken the phone to some engineers to fix it, but they were not able to do it. But I said, don't worry, because I have done this kind of thing before. So I have idea, I know where to tap it from, so no need to start using my multimeter to start checking on where I'm going to connect it from. If you look at it now, I've tried using my picker to check it, but it's not working. But I want to connect it, so you will see. Just watch, just keep watching. You see where I will tap it from, and it will work properly, very well, 100%. And all the buttons are working, only that star button that is not working. But just watch carefully, you will see where I'm going to connect it from. It will work perfectly. Don't forget to share this video, share it, like it, share, comment. You can save the video. All the engineers save the video, so if you see this kind of work, it will be easy for you to do it. Okay, just be watching. You see where I will tap it from. Very easy. Okay, I'm using this wire is from earpiece. You can remove it from earpiece. Sometimes it's very good for connecting. Easy to do. All this tapping is always very good. So as you can see, that's where I'm going to connect it from. The up button, you connect it to the star. That round thing outside, you connect it from the one that is outside. Also connect it from the one that is outside the up button. You see everything will work perfectly. Let me start testing it so you will see. Have you seen it? The star button is working now. Have you seen it? Perfectly. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. I will see you in my next video.